Hi, so let's continue. This is intermediate lesson part 2. Okay, so to pick up or to lift something is mansat. Okay, mansat. So in Amharic, to say to take a picture, we say to pick up a picture. Okay, so ask, can I take a picture? Can I pick up a picture? ፎቶ ማንሳት እችላለሁ? ፎቶ ማንሳት እችላለሁ? Okay, so I'm eating እየበላሁ, I'm going እየሄድኩ, I'm finishing እየጨረስኩ. How do you say I'm taking or I'm lifting up? እያነሳው, እያነሳው. So I'm taking a picture. ፎቶ እያነሳው ነው, ፎቶ እያነሳው ነው, ፎቶ እያነሳው ነው. To drive is መንዳት. Okay, መንዳት. So how would you say driving? I'm driving. እየነዳው. Okay, so I'm driving now. አሁን እየነዳው ነው, አሁን እየነዳው ነው. Okay, so how would you say you drive? You like ትወዳለህ, you can ትችላለህ, you go ትሄዳለህ, you pick ታነሳለህ. So you drive ትነዳለህ. You drive a car? መኪና ትነዳለህ? መኪና ትነዳለህ? To a woman? መኪና ትነጃለሽ? Ja sound in the middle, okay? መኪና ትነጃለሽ? Ask, can you drive a car? So መኪና መንዳት ትችላለህ? Or መኪና መንዳት ትችያለሽ? መኪና መንዳት ትችያለሽ? So ask, whose car is it? የማን መኪና ነው? የማን መኪና ነው? It's mine. የኔ ነው. የኔ ነው. Okay, so kind is አይነት, to say type. Okay, type or kind is አይነት. Okay, so what kind or what type? ምን አይነት? ምን አይነት? Okay, so you are driving to a woman? እየነዳሽ, እየነዳሽ. So ask a woman, what kind of car are you driving? ምን አይነት መኪና እየነዳሽ ነው? ምን አይነት መኪና እየነዳሽ ነው? To a man? ምን አይነት መኪና እየነዳክ ነው? ምን አይነት መኪና እየነዳህ ነው? Okay, so ask, what kind of movie are you watching? ምን አይነት ፊልም እያየክ ነው? Or ምን አይነት ፊልም እያየሽ ነው? ምን አይነት ፊልም እያየሽ ነው? ምን አይነት ፊልም እያየክ ነው? What are you eating? ምን እየበላክ ነው? ምን እየበላክ ነው? ምን እየበላሽ ነው? What kind of food are you eating? Food is ምግብ. What kind of food are you eating? Or what kind of meal? ምን አይነት ምግብ እየበላክ ነው? Or ምን አይነት ምግብ እየበላሽ ነው? Okay, I'm eating ክትፎ. ክትፎ is very popular traditional food here in Ethiopia. ክትፎ እየበላው ነው. I'm driving Tesla. ቴስላ እየነዳው ነው. Okay, whose wife is she? የማን ሚስት ነች? የማን ሚስት ነች? She is ነች. She is American. አሜሪካዊ ነች. Okay, whose wife is she? የማን ሚስት ነች? Okay, I'm sure she is Daniel's wife. እርግጠኛ ነኝ የዳንኤል ሚስት ነች. እርግጠኛ ነኝ የዳንኤል ሚስት ነች. Whose boy is he? He is American. አሜሪካዊ ነው. Whose boy is he? የማን ልጅ ነው? የማን ልጅ ነው? Okay, we should go there. እዛ መሄድ አለብን. we should go መሄድ አለብን. እዛ መሄድ አለብን. I should go there. እዛ መሄድ አለብኝ። So to buy is መግዛት. To buy. So I'm buying or I'm shopping. እየገዛው. Okay. So clothes is lips. So try to say I'm shopping clothes. ልብስ እየገዛው ነው. ልብስ እየገዛው ነው. ልብስ እየገዛው ነው. How would you say you are shopping or you are buying to a woman? So you are eating እየበላሽ, you are driving እየነዳሽ, you are going እየሄድሽ. So you are buying or you are shopping እየገዛሽ. So ask her, what kind of clothes are you shopping or are you buying? ምን አይነት ልብስ እየገዛሽ ነው? ምን አይነት ልብስ እየገዛሽ ነው? ቶማን ምን አይነት ልብስ እየገዛክ ነው? ምን አይነት ልብስ እየገዛክ ነው? Okay, so to arrive is መድረስ. So I arrive, I can እችላለሁ, I like እወዳለሁ, I go እሄዳለሁ, I arrive እደርሳለሁ. So as you know, the present and the future are kind of the same in Amharic. So I arrive, I will arrive, it's the same. So I will arrive tomorrow. ነገ እደርሳለሁ. So asks, when will you arrive? You can ትችላለህ, you like ትወዳለህ, you arrive ትደርሳለህ. So when will you arrive? መቼ ትደርሳለህ? When will you go? መቼ ትሄዳለህ? Okay, ask a woman, when will you arrive? መቼ ትደርሻለሽ? Okay, መቼ ትደርሻለሽ? So how would you say to return back? መመለስ. So ask, when will you return back? መድረስ ትደርሻለሽ. To arrive, will arrive. መድረስ ትደርሻለሽ. መመለስ ትመለሻለሽ. You will arrive, you will return back to a woman. Okay, so when will you return back? መቼ ትመለሻለሽ? So trip or travel is ጉዞ. Okay, so when will you return back from a trip? So from trip, when will you return back? ከጉዞ መቼ ትመለሻለሽ? When will you return back from Ethiopia? ከኢትዮጵያ መቼ ትመለሻለሽ? ቶማን ከኢትዮጵያ መቼ ትመለሳለህ? When will you return back from Ethiopia? Okay, so when will you arrive in America? አሜሪካ መቼ ትደርሳለህ? or አሜሪካ መቼ ትደርሻለሽ? Okay, አሜሪካ መቼ ትደርሻለሽ? So I'm arriving, እየደረስኩ ነው. I'm arriving. Okay, I'm returning back now. አሁን እየተመለስኩ ነው. I will return back in 5 days. So here you could say I will return back within 5 days. Within 5 days I will return back. በ5 ቀን ውስጥ እመለሳለሁ. I will arrive at 9 o'clock. 9 ሰዓት እደርሳለሁ okay 9 ሰዓት እደርሳለሁ sometimes we say to say at 9 o'clock in Amharic we say on so 9 ሰዓት ላይ on is ላይ so 9 ሰዓት ላይ እደርሳለሁ okay so I have to buy መግዛት አለብኝ we should buy መግዛት አለብን ን sound መግዛት አለብን okay so how many should I buy ስንት መግዛት አለብኝ ስንት መግዛት አለብኝ so at least is ቢያንስ okay so at least you should buy 5 ቢያንስ 5 መግዛት አለብክ ቢያንስ 5 መግዛት አለብህ so sit down is ተቀመጥ sit down ተቀመጥ so come now come over here ና እዚህ here እዚህ okay come over here sit down ና ወደ እዚህ to here ወደ እዚህ ና ወደ እዚህ ተቀመጥ or sometimes people say ቁጭ በል okay ቁጭ በል is say sit literally okay ቁጭ በል so slow is ቀስ ቀስታ or ቀስ so to say slow down ቀስ በል okay meaning say slow fast or I mean quick hurry up is ቶሎ በል hurry ቶሎ meaning in Amharic say hurry ቶሎ በል okay so ቁጭ በል ቁጭ በል sit down have a seat to woman ቁጭ በይ okay because we have a way of saying say for feminine በይ to a man በል ቁጭ በል ቁጭ በይ okay so can I see Gondar in a single day ጎንደርን በአንድ ቀን ማየት እችላለሁ ጎንደርን በአንድ ቀን ማየት እችላለሁ okay so by one time በአንድ ጊዜ or in a single round በአንድ ጊዜ so you should to pay is መክፈል መክፈል so I don't want to pay መክፈል አልፈልግም መክፈል አልፈልግም I'm paying I'm eating እየበላው I'm going እየሄድኩ I'm driving እየነዳው I'm paying እየከፈልኩ okay so I'm paying every month so በየወሩ month is ወር so በየወሩ እየከፈልኩ ነው daily day is ቀን so daily is በየቀኑ monthly በየወሩ yearly በየአመቱ so try to say I'm paying weekly በየሳምንቱ እየከፈልኩ ነው okay በየሳምንቱ እየከፈልኩ ነው so try to say by 2 rounds በሁለት ጊዜ or by 2 times በሁለት ጊዜ say you can pay by 2 times በሁለት ጊዜ መክፈል ትችላለህ you can pay monthly በየወሩ መክፈል ትችላለህ or በየወሩ መክፈል ትችያለሽ you should pay weekly በየሳምንቱ መክፈል አለብሽ በየሳምንቱ መክፈል አለብሽ you can pay by 5 times በአምስት ጊዜ መክፈል ትችያለሽ or በአምስት ጊዜ መክፈል ትችላለህ okay ask by how many times በስንት ጊዜ meaning like በስንት ጊዜ by how many times በስንት ጊዜ okay how much should I pay by one time or how much should I pay once በአንድ ጊዜ ስንት መክፈል አለብኝ how much should I pay in one round? በአንድ ጊዜ ስንት መክፈል አለብኝ? Okay, so how would you say monthly? በየወሩ daily በየቀኑ so ask how much should I pay monthly? በየወሩ ስንት መክፈል አለብኝ? በየወሩ ስንት መክፈል አለብኝ? or how much should I pay daily? በየቀኑ ስንት መክፈል አለብኝ? በየቀኑ so say at least you have to pay 500,000 at least ቢያንስ 500,000 መክፈል አለብክ or ቢያንስ 500,000 መክፈል አለብሽ. Try to say at least you have to pay 1,000 monthly. ቢያንስ በየወሩ 1,000 መክፈል አለብክ or ቢያንስ በየወሩ 1,000 መክፈል አለብሽ. Okay, so try to say at least you have to pay from 1,000 up to 2,000 monthly. ቢያንስ በየወሩ ከ1,000 እስከ 2,000 መክፈል አለብክ. into a woman ቢያንስ በየወሩ ከ1,000 እስከ 2,000 መክፈል አለብሽ. Okay, to finish መጨረስ. Okay, so how would you say job? ስራ. 2 jobs. ሁለት ስራ. So jobs is plural, but in Amharic we have a tendency of using the singular form even for plural things. Okay, so ሁለት ስራ. So the correct way to say it is ሁለት ስራዎች, but you do not hear that very often in conversation. So you can say 2 job to say 2 jobs. Okay, ሁለት ስራ. So say you should finish 2 jobs per week. Per week በሳምንት. Okay, so በሳምንት ሁለት ስራ መጨረስ አለብክ. በሳምንት ሁለት ስራ መጨረስ አለብሽ ተወውማ. Okay, how would you say by 3 times? በ3 ጊዜ. I can finish by 3 times or in 3 rounds. በ3 ጊዜ መጨረስ እችላለሁ. በ3 ጊዜ መጨረስ እችላለሁ. Okay, I cannot አልችልም. I cannot finish. መጨረስ አልችልም. I cannot finish in 1 week. በአንድ ሳምንት መጨረስ አልችልም. በአንድ ሳምንት መጨረስ አልችልም. It's a lot. ብዙ ነው. ብዙ ነው. Okay, so around is አካባቢ. Okay, so around 9 o'clock. 9 ሰዓት አካባቢ. So how would you say I finish? I can እችላለሁ. I like እወዳለሁ. I go እሄዳለሁ. I want እፈልጋለሁ. I finish እጨርሳለሁ. I will finish. It's the same because in Amharic the future and the present are kind of the same most of the time. So እጨርሳለሁ. So I will finish around 6 o'clock. 6 ሰዓት አካባቢ እጨርሳለሁ. 6 ሰዓት አካባቢ እጨርሳለሁ. Okay, I cannot finish before 5 o'clock. ከ5 ሰዓት በፊት መጨረስ አልችልም. ከ5 ሰዓት በፊት መጨረስ አልችልም. What kind of wine do you like? What type? What kind? ምን አይነት ወይን ትወዳለህ? or ምን አይነት ወይን ትወጃለሽ? Okay, what kind of person is he? Like in this context you are asking for his personality, his characteristics. Okay, So what kind of person is he? ምን አይነት ሰው ነው? ምን አይነት ሰው ነው? to a woman. ምን አይነት ሰው ነች? ምን አይነት ሰው ነች? Okay. Also you could say what kind of manager is he? ምን አይነት manager ነው? Like in this case you are asking for information about his management style. ምን አይነት manager ነው? Or ምን አይነት leader ነው? What kind of leader is he? Okay, so he likes, he can, ይችላል. He likes, ይወዳል. Okay, so try to say what kind of foods does he like? Food is ምግብ. meal or food ምግብ. What ምን አይነት ምግብ ይወዳል? ምን አይነት ምግብ ይወዳል? ምን አይነት ምግብ ይወዳል? Okay, she is tall. ረጅም ነች. He is tall. ረጅም ነው. Okay, she has a tattoo. Tattoo is ንቅሳት. ንቅሳት. Okay, ንቅሳት አላት. He has a tattoo. ንቅሳት አለው. Okay, so long is ረጅም. So try to say long travel or long trip. ረጅም ጉዞ. ረጅም ጉዞ. So long hair. Hair is ፀጉር. ረጅም ፀጉር. ረጅም ፀጉር. So she has a long hair. ረጅም ፀጉር አላት. Okay, so it's common to hear the word let's go. That's the phrase let's go. So let's go is እንሂድ. Let's go. እንሂድ. Okay, so just memorize that all. To know is ማወቅ. About is ስለ. ስለ. Okay, about America. ስለ አሜሪካ. About you. ስላንቺ or ስላንተ. How would you say we? እኛ. Okay, እኛ. About us? ስለኛ. So ask someone like, do you want to know about us? About us, do you want to know? ስለኛ ማወቅ ትፈልጋለህ? ስለኛ ማወቅ ትፈልጋለህ? Try to say about what would you like to know? About what you would like to know? ስለምን ማወቅ ትፈልጋለህ? About what? What would you like to know? About what would you like to know? ስለምን ማወቅ ትፈልጋለህ? Okay? You could say how would you say your job to a woman? ስራሽ. ስራ is job. ስራሽ. Your job. So I would like to know about your job. ስለ ስራሽ ማወቅ እፈልጋለሁ. ስለ ስራሽ ማወቅ እፈልጋለሁ. Okay, so without is, with is ጋር, ከኤንድ ጋር. So for example to say with you to a woman, ከአንቺ ጋር, ከአንቺ ጋር. Okay, without is ያለ. It's a totally different word. Okay, ያለ. So without you, ያለ አንቺ. To a woman. Okay, with you, ከአንቺ ጋር. Okay, so I cannot finish this job without you. This job without you I cannot finish. ይህን ስራ ያላንቺ መጨረስ አልችልም. ይህን ስራ ያላንቺ መጨረስ አልችልም. or ይህን ስራ ያላንተ መጨረስ አልችልም. I cannot go to Ethiopia without you. ወደ ኢትዮጵያ ያላንተ መሄድ አልችልም. or ወደ ኢትዮጵያ ያላንቺ መሄድ አልችልም. Okay, so out is ውጪ, like outside or out of ውጪ. Also foreign is ውጪ in Amharic. Okay, for example ውጪ ሀገር, some foreign country. Okay, so Ethiopians refer USA and other countries are ውጭ ሀገር. ሀገር is country, so foreign country, ውጭ ሀገር. So you could say also out of አዲስ አበባ, ከአዲስ አበባ ውጪ። out of ኢትዮጵያ፣ ከኢትዮጵያ ውጪ። ኦኬ፣ ከኢትዮጵያ ውጪ። out of budget፣ ከበጀት ውጪ። out of time፣ ከጊዜ ውጪ or ከሰዓት ውጪ። Okay, so try to say she is outside of Ethiopia. ከኢትዮጵያ ውጪ ነች። she or እሷ ከኢትዮጵያ ውጪ ነች። Okay, ከኢትዮጵያ ውጪ ነች። So to call is መደወል። መደወል። So I'm eating እየበላሁ። I'm going እየሄድኩ። I'm watching እያየሁ። To call is መደወል. So how would you say I'm calling? እየደወልኩ። እየደወልኩ። So when it comes to calling, we say I'm calling for Daniel. To say I'm calling to Daniel. Okay? For is ለ. ለ. So I'm calling to Daniel. So ለዳንኤል እየደወልኩ ነው። ለዳንኤል እየደወልኩ ነው። So we add ለ only for the verb to call. Okay? So ለዳንኤል እየደወልኩ ነው. I'm calling to Daniel. Okay? So try to say I was calling to you. So in Amharic it's going to be for you I was calling. ላንተ እየደወልኩ ነበር or ላንቺ እየደወልኩ ነበር። ላንተ እየደወልኩ ነበር or ላንቺ እየደወልኩ ነበር። He's out of አዲስ። ከአዲስ አበባ ውጪ ነው or እሱ he. You can drop that, the subject, not necessary, but you could say እሱ ከአዲስ አበባ ውጪ ነው or ከአዲስ አበባ ውጪ ነው። He's going እየሄደ ነው። So family is ቤተሰብ. So how would you say his family? So two ways to say that. So he is እሱ, his is የሱ, I እኔ, my የኔ. Okay, so his family የሱ family. But also there is another in simpler way to say that. So you add u at the end. Okay, ቤተሰቡ, ቤተሰብ family, ቤተሰቡ his family. ቤት house, ቤቱ his house. Okay, አገር country, አገሩ his country. ሚስት wife, ሚስቱ his wife. So try to say with his family. ከቤተሰቡ ጋር with his family. ከቤተሰቡ ጋር with his wife. ከሚስቱ ጋር. So try to say he's going to Awasa with his family. ከቤተሰቡ ጋር ወደ አዋሳ እየሄደ ነው። ከቤተሰቡ ጋር ወደ አዋሳ እየሄደ ነው። So how would you say to find, to get, to earn? ማግኘት. ማግኘት. So you can is ትችላለህ, you cannot is አትችልም. 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 So you cannot find him. ማግኘት አትችልም, but him is እሱ, he. So እሱን ማግኘት አትችልም. We add n because it's he is action receiver. Okay, so you cannot find him. እሱን ማግኘት አትችልም. You can visit, you can see Gondar. ጎንደርን ማየት ትችላለህ we add ን okay so you cannot find him እሱን ማግኘት አትችልም okay so solution is መፍትሄ okay so you could say also what is better or what is the solution so what is the solution is መፍትሄው ምንድነው what is it the solution what is it መፍትሄው ምንድነው but also you can ask for advice like what is better ምን ይሻላል like ምን ይሻላል is very common way of asking suggestion ምን ይሻላል I don't know አላውቅም okay so the verb to do is ማድረግ right so you like ትወዳለህ you want ትፈልጋለህ you do ታደርጋለህ so what do you do ምን ታደርጋለህ so night is ማታ okay ማታ so tonight is today night in Amharic ዛሬ ማታ okay ዛሬ ማታ so try to say what do you do tonight or what will you do tonight ዛሬ ማታ ምን ታደርጋለህ ask your man what do you do tonight or what will you do tonight ዛሬ ማታ ምን ታደርጊያለሽ